Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to rank your videos, YouTube videos or any video and get unlimited views online. With this strategy, I will show you exactly top traffic source to rank your videos, your own website, your blog, your any product link online. Okay, so, this is very important to rank your link online so you can get unlimited free traffic from YouTube or Google. And of course, this traffic you can convert to leads or sales. So basically, this is very important to rank your links if you want to succeed online and make a commission daily for free. Okay, the point from this video is to rank your link, any link, and if you rank your link, you will get free traffic from YouTube and Google, and this traffic, of course, you can from there you can convert to leads or sales and commission. Okay, so traffic source number one that I am using is free traffic. This is a software that will give you unlimited free traffic to your website. Basically, there is a business package here. I am using a business package. You don't have to use the business package. You can use the basic package, and you can get traffic to your videos, to your link. If of course, if you upgrade with this software, you will get unlimited. You can see I am getting a lot of traffic from this software to my videos, to my own website, to my blog, and you can do it too. Remember, you don't have to upgrade, and you can use this software for free. This is not a bot traffic, or this is a real traffic, and you can use it to get unlimited free traffic to your videos and to your any link you want to promote online. Okay. Traffic source number two. This is also a software, and basically this is real traffic. Okay, this is not a bot traffic. This is real traffic. Of course, you can buy traffic from this software, and you can get unlimited traffic. Of course, all the traffic that I will show you right now, you can tracking using Google Analytics, and you will see that this is a real traffic and real human traffic that actually visit your website, and you can get unlimited traffic from all this traffic source, and you can rank your links fast in Google and YouTube, and then from there you will get unlimited free traffic from engine search like YouTube and Google and more search engine, and you will get unlimited traffic from there if you rank your links online. Okay, so 10k hits and hit lib. Okay, this is two traffic source. And the traffic source number 3 is top traffic ads. You can see this is not for free. It's your choice. You can use it. You can I don't know. This is your choice, but basically you can see you will get unlimited 25,000 Alexa traffic to rank your website or your videos or your any link you want. This is not views to your videos. This is only to rank your videos and to rank your links. Okay, this traffic, this is fantastic to rank your blog if you have videos or content, and this traffic fantastic to rank your YouTube or any video channel you have, and you will get unlimited traffic, and this is will rank your link guaranteed, and then you will get from there you will get unlimited free traffic to your link, and of course then you can convert all this traffic to leads and sales. Okay, so like you see, I have many videos in my channel. I have different channels, and I am getting a lot of views daily in my videos, and I think you can do it too. I am also using this traffic source to promote my blog and my websites, and I am getting fantastic results with Google and with any search engine. Okay, so basically, I hope you get the point. This website, it's to rank your website to your links. Okay, this is only to rank your links online. So then you will get from there you will get unlimited leads and unlimited commission from free traffic that you will get from any search engine, and this is fantastic to build your business online. Okay, this is fantastic if you can get free traffic to your links from any search engine. This is a big success, and this is fantastic to build your business from there. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I will put all the links below this video so you can use it, and you can join this website for free, and you can use it even start from now. Okay, so thank you again, and have a good day. Thank you very much.